Working as a primary school teacher is incredibly busy, but the most fun that you will have. My name is Amy Morgan and I am a class teacher at St Andrew's Primary School in Newport. I got into the education sector in a roundabout way. Worked in recruitment for a few years. I recruited teachers for secondary schools, and that was the thing that really pushed me into it and inspired me to become a teacher. The Professional Learning Passport is the NQT guide to passing your NQT year. Throughout the year, you're uploading your professional learning experiences as you go. It's a one-stop shop for everything that you need. There's resources you can access on there which will benefit your learning. Of course, you've got your targets on there too that you're referring to. It gives you a direction to go in. When there's so much to learn in your NQT year and you're thinking about so many things, it's nice to have that pathway to go down because you know you're achieving what you need to achieve. I would definitely recommend the Professional Learning Passport. Teaching is such a busy job, and there's lots of thinking about the children and thinking about how they're developing and their own progression and how they're moving forward. Your development is just as important, and being the best teacher that you can be, it's the opportunity to sit down and just kind of get your thoughts in order. They train you to reflect. Having that to refer back to is a really useful resource to have.